Good Monday morning. It is a kind of cloudy morning as we start, but we should break out in sunshine today. It's going to be pretty humid. Highs today we get up in the low 80s because the chance of rain really went down. This evening, though, we could get some showers and storms. Sun could be strong to severe, so definitely stay weather aware today, so that could be a challenge. More showers and storms are possible tomorrow, but less likely and less widespread. We should clear up towards the afternoon or evening. And then Wednesday, we're going to be clear. And then we get really warm temperatures by Thursday, Friday. Highs getting up in the mid and upper 80s. Would not be surprised to see a 90-degree temperature again. We did get to 90 last week. We may hit 90 again. But then this weekend, unfortunately, unsettled weather returns. And temperatures drop because of it. It will be a very humid weekend with chances of showers and storms both days, it looks like, at this point. So here we go through the forecast here. So yeah, this is us today. Like I said, mostly clear for most of the day. This evening when a front approaches and some strong showers and storms are possible. This is going into Tuesday now. So still some showers and storms, especially early, but then it clears out. Then by Wednesday, we're warm. See the warm temperatures coming in. Wednesday with southerly winds will be in the 80s, but then upper 80s by Thursday, and winds turn out in the south, so humidity should shoot back up there. And then as we head towards Friday late and into Saturday, so we go into the later part of the week, we start to see this unsettled air mass here with this high pressure to the north, kind of bringing in an easterly flow and low pressure over top of us. So basically chances of showers and storms each day, and this high is going to nose its way down east of the mountains is the way it looks like, and bring easterly winds off the ocean, which is why our temperatures will not be as warm. We'll be in the 70s versus the 80s that we're going to see for the Thursday and Friday. Again, it doesn't look like widespread showers, and it doesn't look like widespread chances of showers, but non-stop rain is probably not going to be the case for both days. Then we kind of clear out a little bit, but just unsettled weather tries to stick around in our region as we get influences of, some coastal influence with easterly winds and some other pieces. So it's just hard to stay dry. All good for the drought. And so that's fine. But this is a pretty cool push here late in the period. We'll have to see if this comes true. But if you've been watching me continually in the long range, GFS likes to bring a low pressure system into the Gulf and become a tropical system. If this pattern comes true, shortly thereafter we really heat up, and that's fine. We get into June and July, headed to the hottest part of the year. And honestly, even though we're going to be hot during days, they seem to be short-lived. Let's look at that temperature anomaly then over the next week or so. So we can go through, and again, what's going to happen is if we're cloudy, the daytimes will be below normal, but nighttimes above normal. So you're going to see it kind of fluctuate back and forth there until we get to Wednesday. After the evening, we get to the day, we're going to be about normal, and then normal temperatures for the middle part of the day. Still cooler at night, but there we go. Warmer on Thursday. We're about 6 to 10 degrees above normal. That is, for us at this point, upper 80s to around 90. So then on Friday, similar, but not quite as warm. So maybe upper 80s, but not quite as warm. And then we get this influence of this moisture around for the weekend and the easterly fetch off the ocean. That's what you're seeing here. It's going to really knock our temperatures back. So the clouds around and easterly fetch, we're going to stay below normal. And that temperatures tend to stay into next week. Again, nighttime lows staying above normal, but daytime highs above normal. Now we're in the middle part of next week. This doesn't look like it warms up. So back to near or slightly above normal or even really hot. Boy, what a repeating pattern. Here we're hot on Thursday, just like we are this week. And then we'll have to see if that sticks around. Looks like near to slightly above normal, honestly, after that. Until potentially way late in the period, which I saw a big cool down could come in. We'll have to see if that's true or not. And then what I see, even though it's really cool in here in the east, I could see this shifting off and shifting our winds around. So we'll have to see if that happens or if the pattern persists. What are we looking at as far as rain goes for next week? According to the Weather Prediction Center, if we look at our rainfall expectation, obviously we get showers and storms today. Any thunderstorms could produce more rain, but over the next week, between 1 and 2 inches of rain possibly, probably more like an inch to an inch and a half, is what the Weather Prediction Center is looking at. Again, continued help to keep ourselves drought-free as I think we're going to get to this week. We'll have to see. We're going to be close to being drought free. We may still be in normally dry, but it's going to be post fall. So that's what we got. Hopefully all is well. Do look out for strong storms this weekend. Look for a warming trend through the week, and then maybe another damp weekend and temperatures below normal. We'll have to see how things pan out. Have a good one.